First, open a file, new file, and then select width as 1200 and height as 1080, resolution 72, and after that, then click on OK. New file will open of the size that you have selected, and then after that, select the images which you want to import to your file. Just click on the file, the picture, and drag and drop in the selected area, not on the top of the Photoshop area. So then select the file, the image at your concerned location, and after that, then drag another image, click on the image, keep holding of the image, and then drag and drop, and then select it according to your need, according to your requirement, and place it on the selected location where you want to keep it. After that, keep doing the same procedure for other images. Import all the images, and while you drag the picture, don't forget to press on the shift so that the image dimensions does not get affected. If you don't click on the shift and just drag and drop the picture, its dimensions can be affected. So while you drag and drop your picture, after that, if you want to increase the size or decrease the size, keep pressing the shift and select from the toolbar, and press the shift on the keyboard, and then place the picture on your selected location. Once you do all those things, if you want to move any picture, you can do it by pressing the clicking the picture and the image in the layers area. And now we are going to change the color of the background. So for that, you have to press the rectangular and then make a rectangle for the whole process area, and then drag and drop it so that it comes to the background. If you want to decrease the opacity can be decreased from there, and just click on the picture in the layers, and then on the right hand side, decrease the opacity and make it to 30 or 40, whatever needed. In the meanwhile, if you want to change the size of any picture, any image, just press on the image in the layers area, and then press Ctrl T. So with that, and the same dimensions will open of the image that you have selected from the layers area, and after that, then you can again do the same procedure of changing its dimensions, increasing the size, decreasing the size. Now again, for drawing the outside border area circle, press on the rectangular tool and draw a rectangle of the whole area, but like just making it in between, and then press the fill area and make it invisible like the cross, and make visible the outer layer which we call the stroke. So then it will create an outside border area. And now it's time for typing tool. So as we all know, so just press on the typing tool and type whatever you want to type. If the size is very high, just lower down it to your need, like 200, 370, 250, whatever is required. Just type that one, and then type your words, whatever words you want to type, Right now I'm typing free pizza shop, even though pizza is not free, but still I'm typing free pizza shop. And from that area we will change the color by pressing that white color. So as we should keep in view the background color and the typing tool color, it should be in contrast, it shouldn't match with each other, so that whatever we type we can see it very clearly. By designing a poster, it is very important to make it visible to the pupil. Now if we are applying some layer styles, so select the layer in your layer area, press on that, and then right click on that from the mouse, and a layer style will open, and from there then we will select the required layer styles. Just look into your pictures and keep applying the layer styles. So with that, like you will see how your pictures looks good, so then leave those image layer styles. If it doesn't looks good, then untick, and then like it will be unselected. Once you are done with the typing tool and all this stuff, just start applying the layer style effects on the other images as well, and apply it on the all the images that you have imported to your working area. So after doing that, once you are done with the layer styles, uh, keep doing it on all the images, and later on if you want to change the location of your background image, you can do it by pressing the Ctrl T and pressing it. In the previous version, as I'm using the Photoshop old version, so it has a save as option, but if you are using the updated version of Photoshop, it has a export option. In the export, then you will see the export as, and from there then you can export your image to the similar area will come, and from there you can select the concerned export format of your image. In the Photoshop, if you want to save the Photoshop file, there will be a .psd file. Just press on that and give it name and student ID or whatever is required. Just give that to it, and then your file will be saved accordingly on your desktop, and then you can upload it wherever needed, or you can use it for later on use. As you can see here, you can select it from there, and then a .jpg is required, so we will save, click on that, and then we'll rename it accordingly, and we'll place it into the concerned location, and at the end we will just click on the OK, and that's how your image will look like. So that's how you make a poster